I'd like to thank all the guests on board the Tram. Thank you for choosing Six Flags Magic Mountain. We know you had many choices this afternoon for your entertainment dollars, and we thank you for choosing Six Flags Magic Mountain. And the guests have Facebook. Facebook has a page, Six Flags Magic Mountain. 175,000 followers. You go in there and post any pictures you might have taken this afternoon, or any feedback or comments. That's Facebook, Six Flags Magic Mountain. If you enjoyed your day today, my name is Michael. If you didn't, my name is Donnie. We're now approaching the crosswalk. Please, for your safety and protection, please walk on the pedestrian walkway. Tram is now approaching you from the south. Once again, please clear that crosswalk area. The Tram is now approaching. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and protection, please walk on the safety bar side towards the parking lot. We're now coming to our first stop for the parking lot. This will be for lots A, B, C, and D. Also for the handicap parking, motorhome parking, and motorcycle parking. If you are exiting the Tram, please exit on the parking lot side only, please. Take a quick look back. Make sure you have all your possessions, as the lost and found department is currently at capacity.